Hey everyone, this is Sushmita, so welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about the makeup products that you should own or have as a beginner, or rather like a beginner's makeup kit. And also I have a giveaway lined up at the end of the video, so don't forget to stay tuned to the end. Now without much further ado, let's get started with today's video. So I'm going to first start with the compact, and it is the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Compact. It comes with an SPF 23 and UVA with UVB protection. Retails for 175 rupees. I am the shade of Ivory Fair in this range, and this is absolutely lovely. I'll show you what it is like inside. So it does have this sort of a powder finish and of course a mirror to it. I absolutely love this compact because it's super affordable and it's really amazing. It really gives you that nice matte effect and matte finish which you look for. So the next thing that I have with me is a Lakme CC cream. So this is what the thing looks like. I don't think I need to talk about the CC cream in details because it is everywhere on the net. It is everywhere, like, the ads and everything. This is something that I absolutely love. I'm in the shade of beige and this is perfect. So it is like an all-in-one instant skin stylist. SPF 30 with PA++. I'm in the shade of beige. Retails for 315 rupees for 30 grams, which is amazing. The quantity is nice, the pricing is amazing, and of course the finish it gives is great. It gives you a really nice natural glowy dewy look. It won't really feel like you have put on a whole lot of makeup. I'm wearing the CC cream right now underneath my skin and it feels so good. It's lightweight, it's non-greasy, and it feels absolutely amazing. So the next thing that I have is an eyeliner. So this is the Colorbar's waterproof liquid eyeliner. And this is just amazing. It can give you the perfect wings. It can give you the perfect eyeliner that you're looking for, especially if you're a newbie, because it has a really nice felt tip sort of an applicator which kind of makes making winging and in general application of the eyeliner like really easy. I won't really feel comfortable with the wand if I'm a beginner, and I guess this is just perfect for you people. So the next thing that I have is a Lakme Iconic Kajal. This is again a very basic product from the Lakme. And I'm in the shade of Classic Brown. I won't say I'm in the shade, this is the shade of Classic Brown. I think again Classic Brown is a very nice, very subdued sort of a shade. It's a very nice subtle shade. Unlike the black one, which is very on your face type, a brown is really nice, natural sort of a shade which is very apt for the beginner. Now the mascara that I have with me today is the Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. So this is what the thing looks like. Now again, it comes in the waterproof variant and a non-waterproof variant. This is absolutely lovely. I'll show you guys the wand. It's really nice and the application is like super easy. So this is what the wand looks like. It's got a really nice curved sort of a wand. And it's perfect. Doesn't really give you that sort of a fluttery, dramatic false lashes sort of a look, but it's really nice and natural. Easy to work with, definitely. The next one that I have with me is the Maybelline New York Color Sensational Eyeshadow Palette. So this is what the thing looks like. Again, got a really nice mirror finish to it, and I got this one. This is the Rose Quartz Pink, and this thing retails for 545 rupees, which is again a pretty affordable range thing for an eyeshadow. This comes with 5 colors, and the colors in this range, which is the Rose Quartz, is perfect for, like a basic everyday sort of a wear, or even if you're trying to do like a smoky eye look, whatever it is, it can really help you with all the eye look. The last 2 products that I have for today, one is a lip balm. So this is the Maybelline Baby Lips Bright Out Loud, and this is in the shade of Pink Alert. So this is lovely. Okay, so this is what the thing looks like. It's so nice and pretty, and it's pink, which is absolutely wonderful. And I really love this shade. And then the next lipstick that I'm talking about, so it's the Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is what the thing looks like. Again, perfect, nice shade. And the name of the shade is Sensationally Me, which is really a very nice nude everyday sort of a shade. So those are the list of my beginner friendly makeup products, which I think most of the beginners should definitely try out. If not the same shades that I mentioned, you should definitely try out the other shades that I mentioned, because it's going to really work for you, because one, they're affordable, they work, and they don't really need that much of blending. And coming to today's giveaway, we will be giving away Nykaa vouchers worth 500 to 2 of you people. The details of the giveaway will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check out the description box for the detail of the giveaway. And the giveaway is going to be hosted on both YouTube as well as Instagram. So yeah guys, that was all for today's video, and I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video very soon.